Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. For my regular subscribers,
I apologize to all you guys.
I'm sorry that you have to put up with this. This is not one of my normal videos. It is a tutorial and it is about putting the Fender Eliminator kit and LED turn signals on a Honda Grom and the problems that I ran into, and I couldn't find any videos for this particular setup that I bought, which is the one that comes from eBay. It's the MSX Fender Eliminator. It's obviously cheap, but it came with the signals, probably, you know, like an out of China sort of thing. But out of all of the tutorials online, none of the ones that I could easily find were this setup, which is these tail lights that have an integrated running light, but then also the turn signal at the top. This is what the basic Eliminator looks like. If you get this one, like I said, I got mine from eBay, so I'm gonna show you real quick. I'm gonna try and keep this quick and dirty of how to wire this setup up, because it comes with no instructions and I couldn't figure it out initially. Now, the one thing I will preface at this is you will need the LED turn signal relay, which I just ordered, and that's gonna get me flashing. But in order to wire these up so you have the solid running lights and the turn signal, I had to do that on my own. So that's the part I'm gonna show you right now. There are 4 bolts in your bike once you take the seat off. These 2 right here, and then those 2 right there. Sorry, the lighting might not be the greatest here. There we go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. On your stock Fender, those are countersunk screws here. They're bolts. They are 12 millimeter. When you take those out, then this whole unit drops off. The Fender Eliminator kit comes with new hardware that go in those same spots, 1, 2, 3, and 4. It's 2 metal plates. They kind of surround this little plastic nub, and then this part bolts onto it as well. I think you guys can probably figure that part out yourself. They go up, there's locking nuts on this side with a washer, and then that bolts this whole contraption in there. The part I ran into is the wiring here. So this harness that you see here with the plastic on it is the stock harness that comes off the bike. This is what feeds your tail light, or I'm sorry, your tag light and your turn signal. Double green wire here that has 2 of the bullet connectors, that is the ground. Orange wire is going to be your right signal, and the blue wire is going to be your left signal. Now with this kit, the MSX kit, your turn signals come with 3 wires. They each have a blue, a red, and a black. Your 2 blacks are gonna go into the ground here. They already have bullet connectors on them. I had to like spread these out a little bit, but they plug right in there. Your red wires, that's what's gonna illuminate the signal portion, this upper portion, and those need to go into your orange and blue wires. The blue wires, the 3rd wire that come off of these signals, is the constant 12-volt power. So when you turn the bike on, the lower portion here lights up and stays stationary on. Also the same with the tag light. So here's what I did to fix that problem. Your little tag light that bolts on here has a little wiring harness that comes here. It's just a little teeny red wire and a little teeny black wire. Your green wire and your yellow wire off of the original bike harness is what feeds the tag light on stock Fender setup. So here's all I did. Since this is a constant 12-volt source, when you turn the key on, I basically took my 2 blue wires from the turn signals that came in the kit, the red wire from the tag light, I twined all of those together, crimped a male bullet connector on it, and then those went ahead and just plugged right into the yellow wire, which is the 12-volt power source when you turn the key on from the bike, and then the black went into the green, which is the ground for that. So what that allows you to do is when you turn the key on, your running lights come on and stay on, and then that frees up the turn signals for the top half. Now these aren't gonna flash, but they come on solid because I don't have the relay that I need. But essentially once that relay's done, those will flash. your right and your left. Now that's what I did to get the running lights to come on and stay on when you turn the key on, just like the front lights, because those do that. from the factory, and then when you turn your signal on, they get brighter, but obviously flash. So I just don't have the relay. But now the back signals do the same thing. All of the videos I saw, the small LED turn signals are just turn signals. They don't have the additional standard running light like these do. And since I couldn't find a video for it, I wanted to make this real quickie that shows you how to do it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I will be tinkering with this bike. I just got it, so I might do a couple other little tutorials as I figure out how to do things if I can't find videos like it online. If not, that means there's probably a ton of other videos already on YouTube about it, and I'm not gonna waste your time with one of those. So anyway, if you guys are new here, if you're interested in law enforcement, which is primarily what my channel is about, check out some of my videos. I'll have them linked up here. I do patrol ride-alongs. I show you body cam footage from when I am at work. And then we're gonna do little videos like this here and there, some tutorials, and then just actually when we go out for rides. So everybody, thank you for watching. Hit that like button for me. Help this get out to some other people that might need help wiring up something like this. And until the next video, I want you guys to all take really good care of yourselves and stay safe out there.